I've dealt with probation violation cases for the last 27, almost 30 years, and I know what it's like to help clients through those problems. Your probation officer has a lot of control over your life, and when you're alleged to have made mistakes on probation, our law in North Carolina gives you the ability to have a trial. And I recommend that plenty of times. You have a right to a full-up hearing before a judge in your probation violation case. And it's the probation officer that has to prove that you violated the terms of your probation. Simply throwing up your hands and going to jail is typically not the answer. The probation officer will, of course, have a recommendation, but that does not mean you have to accept that recommendation. Many times that can be the ceiling on what's going to happen to you, nothing more. So why not fight it? I will help you analyze the case, figure out what can and can't be proved, and hear your reasons for whatever the violations were. Many times, folks have very good excuses for what are alleged to be violations. I'll help you sort through those, figure that out, and have a hearing where you get to present evidence, where you get to tell the judge what happened. I went through one this last week where they were trying to violate my client and put her in jail for an absconding charge. The judge listened to the entire case and said, I'm done with this. I'm going to simply terminate probation. So instead of going to jail, my client walked out of the courtroom. Now, of course, I can't guarantee that result for any and everyone. Every case is different. One thing I can guarantee you, I will bust my ass to defend you. I will go in and give you a hearing, and we will do everything we can to protect you. That's what I do. My name's Tom Goolsby. You want my help, pick up the phone and call me. I'll talk to you. I'll bring you into my office. We'll sit down. We'll go over your case. I'll quote you a flat fee that will be reasonable, that you can afford. I'll help you set up terms so you can pay it. I know folks work. Nobody wants to have to go through this. Nobody wants to have to shell out money they don't have. I'll work with you. We'll make sure you're taken care of, and I'll go to court and I'll fight for you.